In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete credentials in n8n, whether you are using the n8n cloud or a self-hosted instance. Managing credentials efficiently is vital for maintaining the security and smooth operation of your automation workflows, so follow along as we dive into the process. To begin, you'll first need to log into your n8n account. Depending on your setup, this could be on the n8n cloud platform or your own self-hosted n8n instance. Logging in is straightforward. Just make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you will have access to the n8n interface, where all the magic happens. Now, once you're inside your n8n workspace, your next move is to navigate to the credentials page. This is where all your API keys, OAuth accounts, and various database connections are managed. To get there, simply look at the left sidebar. You'll find an option labeled Credentials. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the saved credentials within your account. With the credentials page open, it's time to locate the specific credential you want to delete. If you have a large number of credentials, don't worry. You can easily find what you need using the search bar at the top. Just type the name or keywords related to the credential you are looking for, and the list will filter automatically to show you the closest matches. This feature can be a real time saver when managing numerous credentials. Once you've found the credential you're aiming to remove, look to the right side of the row where the credential is listed. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. This represents additional actions you can take with that particular credential. Click on these three dots to open the menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select the Delete option. Be sure to confirm that this is indeed the credential you wish to remove, because this action will permanently erase it from your account. Deleting credentials that are no longer in use or necessary is a good practice, as it helps keep your workspace organized and reduces potential security risks. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a credential in n8n. Remember, keeping your credentials up to date and removing old or unused entries is an integral part of maintaining a secure and efficient automation environment. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of n8n.